Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're familiar with my videos, you know that I am a huge proponent of strip lashes versus eyelash extensions. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to apply strip lashes so that they look like lash extensions. There are so many details that go into the application, but once you have it down, it's super easy. So first off, I just wanted to show you guys the current condition of my lashes. I have been wearing strip lashes every single day for the past 8 years, with the exception of weekends that I stay at home. And as you can see, my lashes are very intact. I rarely lose an eyelash. I would say the biggest downfall to wearing strip lashes on a regular basis is that they do tend to feel like they're a little bit lower rather than curled up, just because they always have that little extra weight. But the strip lash glue is so gentle that by the end of the day, they literally just pop off so easily. I always get compliments on my strip lashes. People either automatically think they're eyelash extensions or my natural lashes, just depending on how dramatic of a makeup look I put on. So first off, you want to prep your skin before putting on the strip lash. You don't want to put on any eyeliner or your eyeshadow, because if you go to reposition that strip lash, it's going to pull off that eyeliner or eyeshadow, and then you're gonna have to basically start your makeup routine over. So what I do is I prep my skin with moisturizer, then I put on all of my concealer and foundation, and then I just put on a very light translucent powder to set everything. And then before I go and put on my strip lash, I just kind of like pat my skin to make sure it's dry on my eyelid and around my eye area, and that kind of just is the last prep before I'm ready to put on my strip lashes. Prepping the skin is great. Then picking the correct strip lash. So you never ever want to pick a strip lash that has a thick or black band. You always want to pick one with a very flexible, clear band, or else you'll deal with the strip lash constantly popping off and it'll just look so obvious that you have it on. The other great thing about a flexible, clear band like these ones right here is that you don't need to wear eyeliner over the top to cover up that band. And if you don't place it perfectly, it won't show off the misplacement. So this is what the band looks like, and I always use the Kiss 11 lashes. So you can go to Ulta to get these. They're on Amazon, at the drugstore. You can get these strip lashes. They're very pliable. They're a reasonable price. I buy them in a set of 5. The next thing is to make sure you have the right tweezers to apply your strip lashes. Now, these tweezers right here are 2 different kinds. The pointy tweezers are the ones that you are going to use. Do not use the thick plastic tweezers that come with the kit. Those do not work. You need something very thin to be able to mold the strip lash to the shape of your eye. The next thing is that these lashes may not fit your eye as well as they fit my eye. So everyone has a different curvature, a different natural lash, and a different length of their eyelid. So you always want to kind of do a dry fit with the strip lash to make sure that they aren't going to be too long for your eyelid. If so, you can always trim down the lash, but going to put on something that's too long is just always gonna pop off and look super obvious. All right, so now we're ready to actually apply the strip lash now that we have the foundation. So I always pull off the kind of extra glue that's stuck onto the lashes from the packaging. And then I use the Duo glue, and I'll link both the strip lashes and the glue below. And what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna do a very thin bead of the lash glue. And it should look like a very even line, and I use the tip of the bottle to smooth out the line. And then a lot of people put on the glue and then just try to go straight to application. This is not going to work. The glue needs about 30 seconds to set. And so what I do is I do a couple other things in my makeup routine. I'll brush my teeth, change a baby's diaper, something like that, but really let that glue get tacky before you go to apply it. So now the glue is a little bit tacky. If you have any globs or inconsistencies, you can just use the back of your tweezer to smooth it out, or if you have like a dry spot, you can go ahead and smooth it out with the back of the tweezers. And then you're going to go for the application. So I always hold the lash with my tweezers like so. I will literally just set it on the outside of my lash line, and then I grab the inner corner and I pull the inner corner to where it's gonna go. Then I'm going to squeeze kind of the part of the lash that's close to the lash strip without touching that adhesive, and I'm gonna push it towards my lash line. The reason that a good application looks like lash extensions is because the applicator has followed the lash line so that you cannot see the strip of the strip lashes. And also that they've positioned it properly so that the lashes are flipped up. If you've ever been out and seen a girl with like a lash that's like flipped down, they just didn't apply it right. So I'm kind of pushing it back into the lash while the adhesive's tacking and kind of propping it up so that it has a nice curl to it. Then what I would do is, of course, put on the other lash. Then I would finish my eyeshadow. If I was wearing any eyeliner, I would go and apply it at that time. And then I'm going to put on some mascara. So the mascara, even if you're not going for a dramatic look, I do like putting on mascara to basically stick my regular lashes to the strip lash, because if you see inconsistencies in my natural lash versus the strip lash, that's going to be a dead giveaway. So if I'm just going for an everyday look, I'm literally going to just apply the smallest amount of mascara to kind of give the lashes a cohesive look. And the other reason I think that my lashes have stayed so healthy is because I have to apply very little mascara in order to, you know, make my lashes really pop, because I have the strip lashes to go with them. So when I remove this at the end of the day, the adhesive's already worn down and they literally just pop off, and then I barely have any mascara to remove. So again, if I wanted a more dramatic look, I'm of course gonna go in with eyeshadow, maybe with some eyeliner, with some more mascara. But to me, being able to go around town, be seen in an everyday look, and always get questioned if these are my natural lashes or lash extensions is a huge compliment. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and we will look forward to seeing you on the next video.